Good morning, National Dayers! It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Monday, December 6th. Happy National Microwave Oven Day.
On December 6th, National Microwave Oven Day honors one appliance that changed how we use the kitchen. Quite by accident, self-taught American engineer Percy Spencer discovered a way to heat food safely with microwaves. While working with an active radar in 1945, he noticed a melting chocolate bar in his pocket. The high-powered microwave beams created a heating effect ideal for cooking. Spencer deliberately attempted cooking popcorn with the microwaves. Next, he tried cooking an egg. Both the popcorn and the egg created dramatic results. However, the popcorn resulted in success, unlike the egg. The egg exploded in his fellow engineer's face. The microwave oven cooks more than popcorn. Use this celebration today to explore the many uses of the microwave oven. Today is also National Gazpacho Day, National Miners Day, and National Pawnbrokers Day.
Today's shout out goes out to Ms. Slobodnik and her entire second grade class at Duquesne District School in Duquesne, Pennsylvania, along with a shout out to Principal Eric Harper and to Ms. Lennon, who nominated you guys to be on my show. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed your shout out. Would you like to get your class a shout out? It's so simple. Just complete the Google form. The link can be found below in the description.
So I wanted to find something cool that we could do with a microwave, and you guys are never going to guess what I found. This is so cool. Just pick up a bar of ivory soap from the store. That's all you need, but it has to be ivory soap. And then watch this.
Fluffy soap! How cool is that? Pretty amazing. All right, National Dayers, I hope that you have a marvelous Monday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Keep smiling!